Gate 37, the family. The gate of friendship. The manifestation macro and microcosmically of the organic nature of communities. This is the most communal of all the gates. It is a transpersonal expression of the potential sensitivity of revolution. This gate is also the focusing of sensitivity for communal expression. This gate is the possibility to offer support and friendship to others. The tribal circuit group, ego, and defense are the most intensely social. They establish, support, and maintain our communities. Once the sexual imperative has been satisfied, defense, the community is an essential development. Sensitivity biologically is about food. The tribe must be fed. The 73rd, 37th gate is the gate of the mouth. The friendship offered by this gate can never be free of an underlying bargain. It is always seeking loyalty and looking for a promise of loyalty in return. The wave of emotional awareness leads to the hope and pain cycle of friendship, loyalty, disloyalty, promise, broken promises. This is the gate of sense of touch. It is the outstretched arms ready to embrace the outsider. The possibility of awareness in this gate lies in the touch, not in the energy to embrace. Line 1, the mother, father. Blue line, a position of inherent respect that ensures a focus for the development of guidelines. Exalted, harmony is the key to the successful maintenance of relationships. It is only through harmony that the beauty and the values of the family can endure. Friendship that is rooted in sensitivity and endures harmony, no polarity. Detriment, no planet in detriment. Line 2, responsibility. Exalted, the understanding of the principle of individual responsibility as the foundation for successful cooperation. The possibility of friendship through individual responsibility. Detriment, a tendency to point out the responsibility of others. The possibility that friendship will lead to pointing out the responsibility of others. Line 3, even-handedness. The success of any group is dependent on maintaining order. Exalted, the ability to judge what behavior is appropriate and to react in a balanced manner to transgressions. The possibility to have the sensitivity to know what behavior is appropriate in relationship. Detriment, an ironic tendency to either test incessantly the borders of acceptability or to respond to the very same tendency in others with severity. The possible lack of sensitivity to what behavior is appropriate. Line 4, leadership by example. Any member of the family may take on a leading role through exemplary behavior. Exalted, the manifestation of the highest principles in everyday and practical affairs. The possibility of the highest principles in all relationships resulting in a leadership role. Detriment, a conservatism that generally only accepts the leadership of the father, who may or may not be a valued role model. The possibility of being insensitive to the leadership of anyone other than those accepted by tradition. Line 5, love. Natural and unaffected devotion to the family. Exalted, natural harmony and perfected sharing. Natural harmony and sharing possible through friendship. Detriment, emotional dependency that often turns love into hatred. The possibility of dependency turning love into hate. Line 6, purpose. The energy to maintain the family is enhanced by recognizing its values. Exalted, the gift not only recognizing the inner meaning of the family, but an appreciation for its values. The possibility of extending friendships through the appreciation of its value. Detriment, a need for diversity. They may ignore the achievements of the family in favor of withdrawal. The need for diversity that despite appreciation will prefer casual friendships.